Hello. My name is Rachel and I just got a Stitch Fix box. I'm actually an art teacher and this box is going to be sort of teacher themed because I asked for specifically stuff for an art teacher. Let's see what we got. Here is my bundle. It's beautiful. Bundle. Before I open my bundle, I'm going to read this right here. Oh, hello. If you've never done Stitch Fix before, they send you 5 items and you choose the ones that you want and send the ones you don't want back. If you choose all 5 items, then you get a 25% discount. And if you sign up, you have your own code to share with friends, so your friend gets a discount and you get a discount for everyone that buys stuff from your code. I'll link my code below if you feel inclined to use it, if you do Stitch Fix, just like me. I've been doing Stitch Fix for a bunch of years now. I don't even know when I started doing Stitch Fix. But anyway, my note says, Happy New Year, Rachel. My name is Jessica and it was so great styling for your first fix of 2023. I read you want edgy art teacher styles and I thought the mustard infinity scarf from Octavia would be a super fun addition to your wardrobe. Wear it over a faux leather jacket and your choice of skinny or wide leg jeans. What do you think? By the way, have you noticed the freestyle feature in our app yet? Blah, 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 blah. Let's start with that scarf. I love scarves. I collect scarves. This scarf is very soft. I might get it, but I have a lot of scarves and I know how to crochet, so I could probably make something similar to this and maybe a different color, but I'm not sure. First impression, very, very soft. I like it. And here is that scarf. It is called the Sutro Open Knit Infinity Scarf in mustard color. It is $36. It's a little bit pricey for a scarf, especially one that I can make myself, but it is very soft. If you like these kinds of scarves, these infinity scarves, and you like mustard color, then you will like that scarf. Yeah. Okay. Second thing is this shirt. It's very soft as well. I actually saw this before it came into the box. I wasn't sure about it, but I wanted to try and see like what the material was. So in the front, it's office lady, and in the back, it's very soft and cozy. First impression, I do like it, but I don't know if I love it enough to purchase it. And this shirt is called the Helena Mixed Material Blouse from Fortune and Ivy in the color burgundy. This one is in size small, and I did like this shirt, but I just have a few kind of like them, and I just wanted to stick to 2 items. Yeah. This shirt, I love this shirt. I knew this was coming as well. It's very springy. It's kind of like the other shirt. The front is sort of that office-y material. I don't know why I keep saying that. It's like, I don't know, thin, breezy, not very soft, but it's not scratchy or anything. The back is very soft too. I love the floral print. We shall see if I get this. Yeah, I am definitely getting it. It is the Reese Mixed Material Top by Paper Moon in size small, and it is the navy colored one. I really liked it. I love the fit of it. I think it's really, really flattering, and it's super duper teacher vibes. It goes with so many colors like that mustard, red, and some greens too. This is really, really cute. I like the sleeves. They're little cap sleeves. It has some pockets and it is very soft as well. Okay, I love this sweater. It is the Anna Lee 2-pocket textured cardigan by Pink in the color olive, and it is size small for $44. It's just really, really soft. It's a perfect length and it's very cozy, as you could see from my reaction just trying it on. I really like it. And here it is with the scarf. This is the whole outfit it kind of came with. They do that on purpose, I think, just to try to get you to buy the whole outfit, but I'm only buying 2 pieces and I really like them. So yeah. And oh, okay, I thought these pants were gonna be black. I really need black pants, so I'm kind of sad that these are blue. I don't really need more long skinny blue jeans. I like how dark they are. They're very soft, stretchy, very stretchy. The pants from Stitch Fix, I find that they are great quality, very comfortable, stretchy, and they always fit really well, but they are very expensive. So the pants that you get from Stitch Fix, it's like, if you really need those pants, then you should get them. If you don't, then you probably don't need to get them. Let's do the try on. And these are called the Grace Super Skinny Jean by the brand Just Black, and they are in the color indigo, and I got a size 6. They are $78. They're very flattering. They fit perfectly, just the right amount of stretch, just the right amount of length for someone with long legs, and I would recommend these if you need some skinny jeans. We are back. So final thoughts. Final thoughts are that I really do like this sweater. I really do like this sweater. I'm thinking about getting it. I know I'm going to get this. This is my favorite piece. Let me know what piece was your favorite, please. I would love to know. This scarf is pretty expensive to actually purchase, I think, because I know how to crochet something just like this. It would take me an hour and it would not cost $36. So I do like this scarf. It goes really well with this shirt that I'm getting, but I don't need to buy it for $36. The skinny jeans are $78. They fit perfectly, but all Stitch Fix pants, in my experience, fit me really well. So I already have a few Stitch Fix pants, and I have some almost the same as this. So they're just a little bit lighter wash blue, but whatever. This shirt I liked, but not enough to buy it. I think it's $40. This one's $40. I'm gonna spend money on this one. And this sweater is $44. That's it, right? Yeah, those were all the objects. You get 5 things, and this was January 2023 Stitch Fix haul, teacher edition, art teacher edition. Let me know if you like Stitch Fix videos. Here is one other one that I made a couple years ago if you're interested. So go ahead, click on that, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!